How to change language on Google Chrome browser. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Translate option. Then click on the setting gear icon on Translate and click on More Language. Then you will see a menu. There you can see a lot of language. Choose any one which you like. Now the default language on the Google Chrome browser is English. So the translate simply works for any other language and it translates to English. Here I have chosen detected language to check. So as you can see now, instead of English, everything is on my screen on Czech language. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to change your browser language. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.